Tap on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and the bell notification to get notified.
Good day, everyone. I'm Arba'in and I'm here to teach you Hausa. Yes. I'm going to start by pronouncing numbers. How you will pronounce number in Hausa. This is 1. When you are going to call 1 in Hausa, you will call it daya. Daya. While 2, you are going to call it biyu. While 3, you are going to call it hudu. While 4, you are going to call it biyar. Either biyar or biyar is all the same. While 5, oh God, sorry, 4 is hudu, not biyar. 4 is hudu, not biyar. While 5 is biyar. While 6, shidda. While 7, bakwai. While takwas, 8 is takwas. While 9 is equal to tara. While 10 is called goma. So as you can see here, it's not much harder than in speaking. 1 is daya, 2 biyu, 3 hudu, 4 hudu, 5 biyar, 6 shidda, 7 bakwai, 8 takwas, 9 tara, and 10 goma. So we are proceeding to next level. 11, shidda. 12, biyu. 13, uku. 14, hudu. 'As you can see here, the thing is not much harder like that. 11 daya, and here is daya. You just put and put daya. That's all. 15, biyar. 16, shidda. 17, bakwai. 18, takwas. 19, tara. 20 is ashirin. See, as you can see here, when this is 11, daya, biyu, uku, hudu, biyar, shidda. When we reach 20, we call it ashirin because it has already changed to there's no more one here, it is 2 now, then we call it ashirin. "21", you call it ashirin. Ashirin da daya. You see, ashirin da daya, 21. 22, ashirin da biyu. 23, ashirin da uku. 24, ashirin da hudu. See, you just be adding, here is daya and here is ashirin. Here is then you put daya, while here is ashirin, then you put, here is ashirin, then you put daya. This is not, when you just use your sense, you can get it. 25, ashirin da biyar. 26, ashirin da shidda. 27, ashirin da bakwai. 28, ashirin da takwas. 29, ashirin da tara. While 30 is Talatin. So as you call here from 20, you call it ashirin. As we have written here 30, then you call it Talatin. When you are going to proceed to 31, you say Talatin da daya. 31, Talatin as you can see here, it has changed from ashirin to Talatin. Here is ashirin da daya, while here is Talatin da daya. While here is daya. "32", Talatin da biyu. 33, Talatin da uku. 34, Talatin da hudu. 35, Talatin da shida. So as you can see here, there's no enough board to complete it to 50. So let me just come back and revise it for you the way you understand it. Here 1 daya, 2 biyu, 3 uku, 4 hudu, 5 biyar, 6 shidda, 7 bakwai, 8 takwas, 9 tara, while 10 is goma. 11 sha ɗaya, 12 sha biyu, 13 sha uku, 14 sha hudu, 15 sha biyar, 16 sha shidda, 17 sha bakwai, 18 sha takwas, 19 sha tara, while 20 ashirin, 21 ashirin da ɗaya, 22 ashirin da biyu, 23 ashirin da uku, 24 ashirin da hudu, 25 ashirin da biyar, 26 ashirin da shidda, 27 ashirin da bakwai, 28 ashirin da takwas, 29 ashirin da tara, while 30 talatin, 31 talatin da ɗaya, 32 talatin da biyu, 33 talatin da uku, 34 talatin da hudu, 35 talatin da shidda. As you can see here, we have stopped at Talatin da biyar, while it's called 35. Talatin da biyar. Here is 36, while Talatin da shida. 37 Talatin da bakwai. 38 Talatin da takwas. 39 Talatin da tara. 40 Arba'in. There's a comma here because of there's a apostrophe here. Arba'in. See here where we stop Talatin. Now we have reached 40 side is called Arba'in. While continuing, I know even though I did not continue as by seeing the example here, you can continue it. But let me just continue. 41 is Arba'in. Don't forget with this apostrophe. It's Arba'in da daya. 42 Arba'in da biyu. 43 Arba'in da uku. 40 da hudu. Just clean this. Do you understand? 45 Arba'in da biyar. 46 Arba'in da bakwai. Arba'in da shidda. 47 arba'in da bakwai. 48 arba'in da arba'in da takwas. 49 arba'in da tara, while 50 is hamsin. So as you can see here, we have given you 30 numbers here with their name in Hausa. So by tomorrow we'll continue from 50 to 51. So by tomorrow we continue from 50 to 100. Yeah, thank you. Yes. Like and comment on our channel. If you need any more question, you can drop it there under the comment section.